Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. So today's video is an unboxing or review on January month fab bags. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button. You need to click that, and next to that there is a bell icon. Click that as well so that whenever I posted a new video you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So without rambling too much, let's get into the video. This is how the outer packaging looks like. This is how the January month fab bag look like. Size, quality and color, thumbs up. Yes. So I'm just going to open this one, and once I open this, so these are the two cards that I received. One card is the fab bag contest. Like every month there's a fab bag contest going on. Like we have to tag them on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we can stand a chance to win a Seduction Las Vegas lipstick in the shade 07, and we have to click a picture of the January month fab bag. And the next card is the theme, and the products are written whatever we receive in this month. So the January's theme is the beauty blowout. So it says, dear Taruneet, have fun trying these out. So the first product is the Manna Kadar's Glow Illuminator, and this is a full size product which retails for 2,299. So let me see where it is. Okay, so this is the first product that I received, Manna Kadar's Illuminator, Glow Illuminator, and it's a 20 ml product, and it says it's great to all the skin types and provide a natural luminous glow. Use on face or on body to create a youthful glow and luminizing finish. It's a sheer genius. Okay, get glowing. That's it. It says nothing is written here as much. Okay, so the next product is the Nirvanna Handmade Soap Goat Milk Honey. It's a full size product and it retails for ₹200. So this is the second product. This is the Pure Goat Milk Soap. Wow, the fragrance is very good. So this is how the soap looks like. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on. So next is the best seller bonus, which is Mhoha Herbal Shower Gel. It contains Aloe, tea tree, Neem, orange, soft, supple and moisturized skin. And this is a 30 ml product. That's it. And next is the Vedantika Herbals Neem Tulsi Aloe Face Wash. This is a 50 ml product and it retails for 150 rupees. And the next thing is the Acnes Purifying Clarifying Face Wash. There are two sachets. Each retails for ₹5. Yes. Okay, so these are the two sachets. So this is what I receive in my fab bag, January month fab bag. And FABBAG is a monthly beauty subscription in which you can subscribe for like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. Do check out the description box. Every detail about the products and every detail about the fab bag is in the description box. Make sure you check that on. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.